Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the NOCO Boost Plus GB40 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the GB40 is a portable 1,000-amp lithium-ion jump starter that powers cars, trucks, boats, and RVs with gas engines up to 6 liters and diesel up to 3 liters. Its high-discharge lithium technology ensures safe operation in any climate. Built with a rugged IP65 water-resistant casing and scratch-proof rubber overmold, it's ultra-compact and lightweight at just 2.4 pounds. Perfect for reliable, on-the-go battery boosts. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, battery clamps, microfiber storage bag, USB Type-C cable, user manual, product description, internal battery lever, error LED, power button, power LED, boost LED, manual override button, light mode button. How to use. First, with the clamp assembly firmly connected to the 12-volt out port on boost, attach the clamps to the battery, red to positive, black to negative. Next, power on the unit, the charge LEDs will chase, and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that boost has detected the battery and is ready to jumpstart. Then start the vehicle once the vehicle is on power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. First, locate the USB port on the left side of boost and connect the micro USB cable. Plug the other end of the cable into a phone charger, 12-volt car adapter, USB charger, computer, or any other powered USB port. Once connected, the charge LEDs will start to slowly pulse. A full charge will take approximately 3 hours and will be indicated by a solid green LED. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.